Hi, we have some important updates today on COVID-19 concessions for multiple visa subclasses. Now, the Department of Home Affairs announced yesterday the specific dates to begin the onshore grants of partners, contributory parent, and child visa applications that were lodged offshore or outside of Australia. Now, the announcement also mentioned some other concessions about subclass 790, the Safe Haven Enterprise Visa, the subclass 888, the Business Innovation Visa, and the subclass 887, the Skilled Regional Visa. But I will only give you the three concessions that we are interested in. Now, the first concession is beginning 27th of February 2021, the Partner subclass 309 Visa, the Prospective Marriage subclass 300 Visa, the Child subclass 101 Visa, the Adoption subclass 102 Visa, and the Dependent Child subclass 445 Visa will be able to be granted while the applicant is in Australia. Now, even though these visas usually require the applicant to travel offshore or to be outside of Australia at the time of grant. Now, this temporary concession is for eligible applicants who are in Australia and are not able to travel offshore to be granted their visas because of COVID-19 travel restrictions. So, if you made an application for Partner Visa 309 or Fiancé Visa 300 or Child 101 Visa or Adoption Visa 102 and Dependent 445 outside of Australia, but you are now here in Australia, you will no longer need to go out of Australia to get your visa granted. Now, that visa application can now be granted while you are in Australia. And of course, that is assuming that you have met all the criteria of the visa except for the location requirement at the time of grant. Now, the second concession is on the 24th of March 2021, the same kind of concession shall be extended to eligible parent visa applicants during the COVID-19 period. Now, the eligible visas are Contributory Parent subclass 173 Visa, the Contributory Parent subclass 143 Visa, and the Parent subclass 103 Visa. Now, this means that if you lodge a 173 or a 143 or a 103 visa outside of Australia, that visa can now be granted while you are inside Australia. But please note that the current processing timeframes for parent visa application will remain the same and that this concession is only a temporary arrangement. Now, the third concession is about the subclass 485, the Temporary Graduate Visa, in which the Department of Home Affairs permits the offshore lodgement and offshore grant of subclass 485. Now, the concessions have been granted to all subclass 485 streams, including the graduate work, the post-study work, and the second post-study work streams. So, to allow eligible visa applicants to lodge and be granted their visa while they are outside of Australia if they are impacted by the COVID travel restrictions during the concession period that commenced on the 1st of February 2020. Now, the subsequent entrants may also be onshore or offshore for lodgement and grants. Now, if you want to read the full details of the announcement, you can go to the link which I posted in the description. So that's all for now, and you have a very good weekend, and I hope to see you again very soon for the other or the next video. Bye!